Yes, a very good morning to all of you and a warm welcome to the CA Final Advanced Auditing Assurance and Professional Ethics batch. Right, my sincere apologies at the onset for the technical glitches which we had to face through in the beginning of the class. Probably I tried with a different encryption software this time. So IT is always, something which is goes out of control without any exception reasons or so. Right, so if you could just put a message for me on the chat box conveying to me that yes, you are connected and you are able to listen to me, so that I can start with my interaction of the class with all of you and give you an outline regarding the new syllabus, the new material, and the flow and how we are going to go about our classes. Okay. Right, so please, if you could let me know if you